Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss about the top fruit juices and the health benefits. Here are some benefits and nutritions for pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is rich in vitamin A, C, E and folic acid. It is extremely good for heart. It prevents heart attacks and blockages in arteries and a good agent for bad cholesterol. It helps to remove worms from the body. It is good for enhancing hemoglobin content too. It is good for pregnancy women and it is also known as for anti-aging. Health benefits of avocado juice. It is good for pregnant women because of its higher content of folic acid, thereby help in the growth of development of brain. It enhances the formation of HB and red blood cells. Avocado is good cholesterol related heart disease as it contains oleic acid that lower the cholesterol. It gives relief to the patients of breast and prostate cancer. It acts as anti-aging agent and given to the patients of stroke too. It maintains blood pressure due to the presence of potassium. Health benefits of apple juice. The juice reduces the bad cholesterol level, blood pressure and blood sugar. It reduces the heart problems more prominently. Due to presence of pectin, helps to remove dirt present in the gut. Helps to reduce toxins from the body, thereby improves digestion. It is good for nerves related problems when taken with milk and honey. Good for pregnancy women as it helps to ease anemia. Benefits of drinking strawberry juice. Strawberry juice contains antioxidants named as allergic acid, which check the entering of free radicals into the body and also known as anti-cancerous agent. It helps to check bad cholesterol level in the body and prevent heart diseases. It is known for skin cleaning juice. So to minimize the impacts of pimples, wrinkles, etc. Helps to minimize cancer impact on lungs, breast and cervix. Helps to remove tartar from gums. It reduces joint pains too. Health benefits and uses of orange juice. Orange juice contains adequate quantity of vitamin C that strengthens the immune system and good to prevent cold. It helps to reduce bad cholesterol as well as the blood pressure level. It is having potassium and good for joint pain. Helps to remove blockages and enhances the heart functions. It is also increases the appetite. Benefits and nutrition of kiwi juice. Kiwi juice contains enough vitamin C, improves immunity, protects the body from the cancer, and helps in iron absorption and good for anemia. Helps to lower bad cholesterol and try to maintain blood pressure, thereby is good for heart. Regulate blood pressure due to the presence of potassium. It is known for anti-aging. It also gives relief from cold and flu. Nutritional facts of tomato juice. It is known for anti-aging. It enhances the appetite to thereby help in the gaining weight. Contains adequate fiber, so helpful for constipated patients. Glycogen of it helps to proper functioning of liver. Surprising benefits of guava juice. It is good to remove bad cholesterol, removes blood sugar and blood pressure. It is extremely beneficial for chronic constipation. Contains vitamin C and good for cold, flu and cough. Also good for bone decaying patients. Best health benefits of mango juice. Mango juice is good for fiber, so it may be given to chronic patients related with constipation. Having adequate which helps to check colon cancer. Due to large quantity of fiber content, aged people should not take more quantity of it. Also prevent odorless bacteria. Noni juice beneficials. Noni juice is good for diseases like hypertension, diabetes, vaginal discharge, etc. It helps to develop immune system. Juice also acts like an anti-cancerous, lower blood pressure by clearing blockages in the arteries. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Top Animates. Hit like, share and comment. Thank you.